Hello friends, in last lecture we discussed Planck's law, Stefan Boltzmann law. Next we have to discuss Wien's displacement law. Wien's displacement law. It is totally depend on the Planck's law equation, right? So we have discussed the Planck's law. What is the equation? In 1893, Wien established relation between temperature of black body and the wavelength at which the maximum value of monochromatic emissive power occurs. The peak monochromatic emissive power occurs at the particular wavelength, which displacement law states that that the product of maximum wavelength and T is a constant, right? That means Wien's gives Y max into T is equals to constant, right? Product of maximum wavelength and T, right? He established this relation, right? We have E lambda of black body is equals to C1 lambda raised to minus 5 divided by expansion of C2 Y lambda T minus 1, right? For E monochromatic emissive power of black body becomes maximum if T is constant when D of, we have to take derivative lambda B divided by D lambda is equals to 0, right? By taking this derivation, we have dE lambda B divided by D lambda, which equals to D lambda of this equation, that is C1 raised to lambda raised to minus 5 divided by exponential of C2 divided by lambda T minus 1 bracket close, which is equals to 0, right? Taking derivative, we got exponential of C2 divided by lambda T using equation derivative of U by V, right? Derivative of U by V, then minus 1 as it is, denominator as it is, minus 5 C1 lambda raised to minus 6 minus C1 lambda raised to minus 5 into exponential of C2 by lambda T bracket close C2 by T into minus 1 by lambda square is divided by denominator exponential C2 by lambda T, C2 by lambda T minus 1 raised to 2 is equals to 0, right? By solving this equation, minus 5 C1 lambda raised to minus 6 exponential of C2 by lambda T bracket close plus 5 C1 lambda raised to minus 6 plus C1 C2 lambda raised to minus 5 into 1 by lambda square T exponential of C2 by lambda T is equals to 0. Dividing both side by 5 C1 lambda raised to minus 6, we get minus exponential into bracket C2 by lambda T plus 1 by 5 C2 1 by lambda T exponential C2 by T into lambda is equals to 0, right? Solving this equation by trial and error method, we get C2 divided by lambda T is equals to C2 divided by lambda max T is equals to 4.965, right? That means lambda max T is equals to C2 divided by 4.965, which is equals to 1.439 into 10 raised to 4 divided by 4.965, right, which is equals to 2898 micrometer Kelvin, right? So this law holds true for more real substance. This is true for more real substance. There is, however, some deviation in the case of metallic conductor, whereas a product lambda max T is found to vary absolute temperature. It is used in predicting a very high temperature through measurement of wavelength. And after this there is a combination of this Planck's law and Wien's displacement law yields the condition for the maximum monochromatic emission power for a black body. So by putting the values we got, that is E lambda B max is equals to C1 lambda max raised to minus 5 divided by exponential of C2 lambda max T minus 1. By putting the values, let's E lambda B max is equals to, what is the value of C1? 0.374 into 10 raised to minus 15, right, into bracket 2.898 into 10 raised to minus 3, this is in micrometer, so divided by T raised to minus 5 divided by, whole divided by, right, exponential of, what is the value of C2? 1.4388 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 2.898 into 10 raised to minus 3 bracket close minus 1, right? Then after solving this, E lambda B max is equals to 1.285 into 10 raised to minus 5 T raised to 5 watt per meter square. This is all about the lambda max, right? So question will ask, explain the Wien's displacement law for 5 marks, explain the Planck's law for 5 marks, explain the Kirchhoff's law for 5 marks, then explain the black body, white body, explain opaque body, then explain types of reflection. This is for 2 marks, right? Then define the absorptivity, reflectivity, transmittivity for 5 marks or 2 marks question.